All right, future apple orchard farmers, orchalitis, I don't know. All right, we are going to use tick right now. So tick is a function within Python that counts. It's a clock. We've used timers before, and I'm sorry I said Python, I'm at Java. So inside of Java, we have tick, which counts, and we are going to use this as our velocity. So as we move, we are going to use tick. So we are going to start inside of our tick window, and we are going to throw that in here as if snake. So if our snake and its size, dot size, is equal to 0, which is what it will be at the start, we want to change something about it. We are going to say b is equal to, remember that's the snake body, new snake body at our x coordinate and our y coordinate with the size of 10. And then we are going to add right here snake dot add body. So that basically says that if we don't have a snake, we are going to get a snake, we're going to give it a body. Cool. All right, so that's our first if statement. Now, after that, we want to start movement. So we are going to have our ticks start up. So we're going to do a ticks plus plus. Cool. So we start, we get this body, it's moving. And now we want to set whether or not we've got these limits that are going to automatically get us moving around. So let's do this. If, and we're going to say ticks is greater, so greater than 250,000, we are going to turn it around, whether or not it's going in any direction. So if we want to turn around the snake that we are going through, we are going to have some more if statements. So if it is going right and it goes over this 50,000, we're going to say right over here. If it is going right, then we are going to change that x coordinate, and we are going to add to it because we are going to have it flip-flop and go the other way. Cool. So then we'll also have if left, we are going to take that x coordinate and we are going to minus minus. If we are going up, we are going to take our y coordinate and we are going to subtract down. And if we are going down, we are going to take our y coordinate, we're going to plus plus. Cool. And then after this, we are going to, while we're in here, we are going to set that ticks is now equal to 0. So after we go and we do our flip-flop, we're going to go hit 0 and it's going to go back down. So it will keep us from going all over the place. All right. So now inside of here, we are going to do we are going to also flip the direction of the snake. So we need to change which way that it is facing. So we are going to say b equals a new snake. So instead of doing a rotate, we are just going to create a new snake body that is now heading in the other direction. It will still hold all the memory of the previous body, though spiritually it will be broken, and well, but it will recover with your guidance. And then we're going to snake.add the body for anything that was removed. Cool. All right, so now we're also going to add in this little function that if our snake size is greater than the size, then we're going to keep it at 0. This is just going to keep our snake from growing exponentially. So snake size, and we're going to keep that greater than size. Then we are going to throw in here, we are going to do snake dot remove and 0. This will keep our snake in check. So we'll close up that if statement, and now we need to close up this one as well. Cool. So we have some issues right here. We've got ticks, right, left, down, and tick. Oh, this one should be ticks too. These are not defined. So we need to go up here before we even get into this, and we are going to add those variables over here. So the first ones that we're going to do are Booleans, because we are going to add whether or not they are true or false. We're going to be plus-plussing or minus-minusing, so we're either going to make zeros into ones or ones into zeros and flip-flop true or false. So let's get into a private, too much Python. Private Boolean is going to say that right is equal to true. And then we are going to say that left is equal to false. Up is equal to false. And down is equal to true. So this will allow us to flip-flop, or no. Right is going to be true. My apologies. We are going to start with right every single time. Snake is going to be going right. So we are going to say down is also false. Cool. So now we have those up there, and we need to set our tick. We want to set our ticks equal to 0 at the very beginning. So we're going to do a private int, and that is named ticks is equal to 0. Cool. So to recap, we've got some Boolean operations left, right. We're going to start by going right, and that's going to be true at our instance. And then we have got, we are going to be using ticks to keep track of our time as we go up through this. And then let's go down. Is everything good? Yeah, it looks like all of those errors went down. We're all good. Let's compile this. All seems to be working. We are going to compile this, and we will check where we are at. And our snake still is not there yet, but we will get there in just moments. I will talk to you soon. Bye.